Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a no-knead bread. Look at how perfectly soft this is. Nice and crumbly texture. So let's get started on making this. You all are going to love it. So to make this no-knead bread, we're going to be using bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour, and I have my flour in my bowl, and to that I'm going to go in with some brown sugar. The sugar is going to help activate the yeast that we're putting in here. And now I'm going to go in with my yeast, and I'm using, let me tell you, bread machine instant rapid rise yeast. You can use any type of yeast that you have, but it needs to be instant. And some salt. Now I know a lot of you may say salt prevents the yeast from rising, but because we're not proofing the yeast separate, we have to put it in here. So just give all of your ingredients a good mix, and then we're going to go in with some warm water to bring this together. And we're going to be using our spoon or spatula just to mix it in. We're looking for a soft dough, like I would say, like how when you're making pulori or sahina, like that. And using the bread flour actually helps you to get a better bread because there's more protein in the bread flour. So you see how nice and soft this is? So now I'm just gonna mix this so we use up all of the dry flour that's in here. Once you've mixed it in, you're going to cover it with plastic wrap, and we're going to allow this to rise for about an hour. Okay guys, the flour has risen, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and deflate this by just pressing down on it. You see how soft it is? It's gonna give us a really nice light bread. So once you deflate that, this goes into a greased pan. Just empty it out in here. So I lightly greased my hands. I'm just going to press this out evenly because we'll want an even rise. Now we're going to cover this one more time, and we're going to allow it to come up to halfway in the tin. You don't want it to come all the way up because when it goes into the oven, it will rise a little more. Let's check our bread. It's risen right where I want it to be. I don't know if you can tell, but it has risen. So this is going to go into my oven 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and brown. You want to make sure it's cooked inside. So guys, the bread just came out of the oven. It's a little bit hot right now. I'm gonna allow it to cool down completely. I'll take it out of the pan, allow it to cool down on a cookie rack, and then we'll cut and see how it looks inside. So guys, now it's time to cut into the bread. It feels soft, so let's cut and see how it looks. Now as you can see, the bread, it's small, but if you wanted a thicker bread, well then you'll need to double the recipe. Look at that guys, so spongy. Oh, it's still very hot on the inside. Wow. For a no-knead bread, this came out really good. It smells amazing. Look at that. Can you see? Nice and soft. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe for this no-knead bread. Make it this Christmas and let me know if you all like it. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!